Hello everyone, I'm in Hubli right now. Sorry for the trouble. I've been traveling quite a lot right now, so that I could not get in touch with you for the days which I was not in town. Okay, I'm back with another video which is about the jobs. There are certain problems which we always need to address. Yes, there are problems in India which the jobs need to be addressed towards too. The 2019 elections are being focused on to jobs, right? That's what we're going to counter today. So the contradictions are also going to come in the further coming topic. Yes, the job says here we see different kinds of job seekers, if we can say different kinds of people who work in different kind of conditions. Let's go look into what kind of workers we are. First thing, job freshers who are looking for freshly got out of college, who are looking out for jobs which are heavily paying. Do we get those kind of jobs? We'll look at it further. The bunnies, I call them bunnies, the job humpers, where they just change jobs just for nothing. I don't understand why they do that. But yes, the jobs we need to know are not to be changed frequently. Your resumes will not be in the right place, whereas they don't accept your resume when you keep changing your jobs. Next, the donkeys or the hard workers. I've seen many organizations and many which I have worked for, wherein people have worked, slogged and day in day out and don't get anything out of it. I call them donkeys who don't do a smart job, only do hard work. Whereas we have street smart guys in our surroundings where they know what they're doing and they do it very smartly and they quickly finish it and go off exactly in the way where they have to leave. Those are the jacks, whom I call small jacks, smart jacks. Okay? The passionate bumblebees, I can relate these industries to like a film industry or a farmer or an army man. These people are very passionate about their work. They don't think about anything else other than the work, and they are working towards it. They love their work. They passionately do towards it. You can see the film actors. They love what they do. When they promote that, they love what they promote. Farmers, when they sow, they reap. Every part of it, they love it. And the army men, we salute them at any point of time. They give out their lives for the nation, and they love what they do. This is what is passionate bumblebees is what I call them. Then the hibernating frogs here. They are there from the time the organization is started till that the organization is, I don't know, eternal or going to end. I don't know, these frogs are hibernating there for what. But they keep getting their salaries, they keep doing whatever they have to do. But I don't understand the fact that you need to stay there for long. When it is time, you got to leave. But these hibernating frogs stay there for long. Okay? Then the next is Dhobi Ka Kutta. We call them Dhobi Ka Kutta because we engineers work in banks sometimes. I myself am an engineer, but I don't work for a bank. Certain few people who are my friends who work for banks, I don't understand why. Dhobi Ka Kutta na Ghar Ka na Ghat Ka. The same instances what is happening to them. You are neither an engineer who is working for an engineering firm, you don't know what is banking and you are still working in the firm. I don't understand why you're doing so. Just for monetary benefits, I don't take that. And there are certain people, I must tell you, who still don't have a job, but yes, they enjoy doing it. As Shah Rukh Khan says, जो कुछ नहीं करता वो कमाल कर देता. Those people are doing fun with their lives. God bless them, because that's not how India looks forward to. Okay, that's the only people whom I don't like in terms of job seekers. Then the victimized people, they say I have tried n number of options, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, I want certain packages which are high and all that. I compare them with these people who are there in the freshers lot also. These people ask for a lot of money and they say I am not getting the right salary, only which when I will be getting into a greater job. I don't understand why. I ask them only one thing, get into a job where you can find the initial spurt of money, initial spurt of enjoyment of whatever you do. So that will help you get into a better aspect of life. Then think about changing and then think about development from there. That is what is required. Then the victims of disaster. these victims of disaster don't have anything to say. They just victimize themselves saying that these people didn't treat me well, that is why I left the organization, the management is not good, I don't get proper salaries. I don't know where they go from. And there are a set of entrepreneurs whom I love to say, there are two types of entrepreneurs who are made themselves and the entrepreneur who wants to work and who is working for themselves. Whereas there is another set of people wherein it is called a banyan tree. बाप का banyan tree we say, no? So that banyan tree wherein the father has the business, the son takes it over, the other grandson takes it over. I have no offense towards it, but yes, there has to be off the stream something done for these people so that they can get over these and do better for the nation so that they can help others also. I love the entrepreneurs who can help others to get towards the nation's future. So, signing off with this video, I think you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you like to. Hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button with the red button, and then go ahead and